Right now, I will say present perfect continuous. For example, I have been digging a canal since morning. Now, I will say future perfect continuous. For example, I will have been digging a canal for 2 hours. I'm digging canal by this hoe. As you can see, this is hoe. If you want, you can call it hoe. It is agricultural tool. It's helping me a lot to hard work in my potato field. Side by side, today temperature is very high in my village. The sun is above my head. It doesn't matter. I have to work in my field. At the same time, I have to remove some unnecessary weeds from my field. If you want to learn English quickly, you can practice your English like this way. It is real key to success. For that, from today you can start your English journey like this way. You can describe anything in English to improve your speaking skills. So keep practicing, keep making English video. See you next time.